Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself and the area. Safety matters because sanding and heating release particles. Once ready, test a hidden spot to learn paint behavior. Does it blister or peel? Start with a plastic scraper and a low-heat gun about 3-6 inches away to soften paint, then gently lift edges. Make sure to work in 2-3 square foot sections and switch to 80 grit if layers resist. This gives mechanical advantage without harsh chemicals and starts the removal efficiently. Once large flakes are off, tackle stubborn spots with an oscillating multi-tool or coarse sandpaper. You use the tool to break adhesion, not gouge substrate. After mechanical lifting, progress sanding from 80 to 120 grit to remove remnants, then finish with 220 to feather edges. This prevents visible transitions. Make sure to vacuum and wipe with a tack cloth between steps so remaining grit doesn't scratch. If paint is on trim or intricate profiles, use needle files or dental picks to access grooves gently. You finish by repairing any damage. Use wood filler or spot putty, let it dry, then sand flush. Once surfaces are smooth, remove all dust and prime bare areas. Choose oil or latex primer to match your top coat so adhesion is reliable. Make sure to inspect for glossy patches. If paint still clings, reapply low heat or a brief targeted sanding. If bubbling returns after drying, the paint beneath may be oil-based. Sand more aggressively and use a bonding primer before repainting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.